Hello everyone, I'm Venkatesh Radhakrishnan from Chennai. I'm a freelance trainer by profession. Recently, I did a course on polity, governance and politics through NGPL, Next Generation Political Leaders Forum. This course is essentially for political aspirants like me and young political leaders. Here, I had a chance of listening to some of the best trainers in India about communication, public speaking, decision making, problem solving, constitution, and judiciary. Also, we have been given opportunities to connect with some of the best minds in India, best successful parliamentarians, great legislators, best bureaucrats, and some best academicians. NGPL organizing team made these meetings possible, which we have only dreamt of. And we had an assessment and a certificate too. So this is the first of its kind program in India. And if you're a political aspirant, then this is a place to start with. So I'm sure NGPL is going to produce some of the best leaders in India in future. So many thanks to our beloved founder, Mr. Prime Point Srinivasan, NGPL National President and the wonderful presenter, Mrs. Priya, and my friend NGPL Executive President, Mr. Sridharaj, who introduced me here. Thank you so much.
Good evening, everyone. I am Parthasarathy Doraisamy from Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. Really, I am excited to be a part of this inaugural team of Next Gen Political Leaders being organized by the NGPL team. Really, it's a well thought, structured course for all those as enterprising political aspirants like me. So they have brought in the right stalwarts in various domains, facilitators for each module, and the sessions were very much engaging with a high degree of interaction. So they had taught us the three pillars of democracy, namely the legislative, executive, and judiciary framework. So they had coupled the program with impromptu speech sessions from all of us, along with the group debates on popular topics to improve upon our public speaking skills. So hats off to the organizing team to come up with one of a kind program for the political aspirants. Thank you.
எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். என்னோட பேர் ஜெயராம வம்சிகிருஷ்ணன், வம்சி ஃப்ரம் ராமநாதபுரம், தமிழ்நாடு. பொதுவாக இளைஞர்கள் அரசியலுக்கு வரணும் அப்படின்ட்டு நான் ரொம்ப நாளாக பேசிகிட்டு இருக்கேன். எனக்குள்ளே இருக்கக்கூடிய விஷயம் அது. ஆனால் அதை ஒரு பேனலாக எடுத்துகிட்டு NGPLனு ஆல் ஓவர் இந்தியாவில் நூற்றுக்கணக்கான இளைஞர்களை அரசியலில் சரியான வழிமுறையில் பயணிக்கிறதுக்கு காரணமாக இருக்கக்கூடிய 2 பேருக்கு நான் ரொம்ப தேங்க் பண்ணி ஆகணும். நம்ம ப்ரைம் பாயிண்ட் சீனிவாசன் சார் அண்ட் பிரியா மேம் 2 பேருக்கும் ரொம்ப தேங்க்ஸ். நான் NGPL பற்றி நிறைய விஷயங்கள் கேள்விப்பட்டிருக்கேன். ஃபார் த ஃபஸ்ட் டைம் நான் அதில் ஒரு பார்ட்டாக இருக்கேங்கிறது எனக்கு சந்தோஷத்தை தாண்டி நான் நிறைய விஷயங்கள் இதில் இன்டெப்த்தாக என்னால் கற்றுக்க முடிஞ்சிச்சு. பப்ளிக் ஸ்பீக்கிங்காக இருக்கட்டும், லோக்கல் பாடிஸாக இருக்கட்டும், கான்ஸ்டியூஷனல் பாடிஸாக இருக்கட்டும், டெசிஷன் மேக்கிங்காக இருக்கட்டும், எந்த ஒரு ஃபோரமாக இருந்தாலும் அதில் இன்டெப்த்தாக என்னென்ன விஷயங்கள் இருக்குது அப்படின்றத ரொம்ப தெளிவாகவும் அழகாகவும் எல்லாருக்கும் புரிகிற மாதிரியும் சொல்லி கொடுத்துருக்கீங்க. கண்டிப்பாக இது எங்களை மாதிரி ஆளுங்களுக்கு லைஃப் லாங் யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும். அந்த என்டையர் NGPL டீமுக்கும் நான் தேங்க் பண்ணிக்கிறேன். அப்புறம் என்னோடய பார்ட்டிசிபெண்ட்டாக இருக்கக்கூடிய எல்லாருக்கும் நான் என்னுடைய வாழ்த்துக்களை தெரிவிச்சுக்கிறேன். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
Greetings to one and all. Ishita here from Lucknow. I'm a fresh public policy professional working in Delhi and a fresh law graduate from National Law University, Ranchi. I would like to thank NGPL for giving me the opportunity to be part of the first cohort of the certificate program. I would like to congratulate the entire team for the success of this whole course. The entire lecture series from various academicians and professionals gave us a wholesome introduction to the relevant topics. This one-of-its-kind certificate program is a great start in this arena for mentorship and sharing knowledge and experience. I would like to extend my gratitude and support to NGPL to reach new heights for the cause it's striving for. Thank you once again.
Vanakkam, Namaskar. This is Senthil Kumar Nadesan from Salem, Tamil Nadu. We thank NGPL for conducting this online certificate course on polity, governance and politics and first of its kind for political aspirants. The participant group from various locations and backgrounds made this program more interactive. The training sessions on important political topics such as communication, public speaking, constitution and constitutional bodies, the structure of bureaucracy, judiciary and local bodies, and problem solving skills and decision making made this program an excellent one. And interactive sessions by eminent parliamentarians, professors, and MLA and journalists, the important stakeholders of Indian political system, made us to understand the contents and topics better. As a suggestion, a session on Indian political parties and their evolution in India, the role and functions of election commission in the changing landscape of Indian elections can be added. As a saying, a journey of 1,000 miles starts with a single step. NGPL has started this first step and we support NGPL. Nandri, thanks.
Hi, this is Nandini Aragar and I am the State General Secretary for Tamil Nadu Mela Congress. I am from Chennai. I have had the opportunity to attend all the sessions of NGPL this time, and for me, it was great to get to know so many concepts about communication skills and public speaking, about decision making and problem solving. Apart from this, I also learned a lot about how the judicial system works, how the state machinery works, and how the state and the central machinery are connected, and how the political activities across the country happen during normal times as well as during moments of crisis, like right now we are in the COVID situation. On the whole, for me, the key takeaway has been the amazing support from the community. I've got to meet around 23 to 25 more political enthusiasts who are also, some of them are lawyers, some of them are working professionals, and all of them come with like tremendous amounts of enthusiasm and curiosity. And the kind of discussions we've had, the kind of brainstorming we've had, meeting up with these political leaders face to face has been like extremely wonderful. I'm extremely grateful to Premkaran Srinivasan sir and Priyadarshini Rahul for having organized this amazing program. And I also had the opportunity of extending a helping hand in for the IT to take care of the Zoom and overall IT part of things, and I'm extremely grateful for this opportunity as well. I do look forward to all the upcoming sessions in future, and I hope this process of learning will continue because I think this is one of the best platforms for anybody who wants to be a politician or who's already a politician. I'm sure with all the upcoming sessions, whoever takes up these sessions, they will only become better individuals and become better politicians. So I highly recommend this program, and I do hope to see more NGPL programs happening everywhere. And I'm extremely excited to also be a part of this program's organizing committee. Thank you so much once again, Srinivasan sir and Priya, and I'm extremely grateful to you for this opportunity. Thank you.
Namaskar. I'm Ambar Agarwal from Hyderabad, Telangana. I'm a final year law student. At the outset, I would like to thank NGPL for introducing such an informative and beautifully designed certification course. I would also like to extend my gratitude to Srinivasan sir and Priyadarshini ma'am for giving us all a platform to interact and seek guidance of illustrious politicians and academicians. Every session for me was a learning experience, and I'm confident that it will help me in my political endeavors. Revolutionary freedom fighter Shri Veer Savarkar ji once said, "While it is nice to describe a beautiful rose in full bloom, it would be incomplete without a description of everything right from its roots, stem, manure, and nutrients." Similarly, this course will play the role of the roots of the rose that we all will one day become. Thank you. Namaskar.
Hi everybody, this is Vijay and I'm making this video for NGPL. To begin with, it has been a fantastic opportunity which has been given to me, and I'm very thankful to the organizers of this program. Programs like this are a once in a lifetime opportunity because you don't get to interact with big shots and not so many big shots in just a couple of days, and the amount of learning which has been done is just phenomenal. And I'm still taking time to process what all the things that they have said. I've made notes and stuff, and I look forward to many such programs as well. The coordination between the organizers were just fantastic, and it was a really smooth show. Thanks for this opportunity. I have really grown a lot as a result. Thanks a lot again.
Good morning. I am Vasukant Rajput, one of the few who joined NGPL Delhi chapter initially. I would like to thank Priyadarshini ma'am and Srinivasan sir for giving me such a fantastic opportunity. My hometown is Jalandhar, Punjab. Currently, I am pursuing MBA from MIT Noida. I'm one of the few privileged students who get an opportunity to enhance their leadership skills. As being a management student and political aspirant, the foremost important thing is to learn about constitution, governance, parliament and its procedures. So NGPL used this lockdown period as a golden opportunity to bring a knowledgeful sessions with MPs, Supreme Court lawyers and former Chief Election Commission of India to us. I want to end by saying NGPL bring a change in me that will always add it to my personality. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Ravindra Kumar from Delhi. I am doing PhD from the Department of East Asian Studies, University of Delhi. I have learnt so many things since inauguration, like functioning of parliament, structure of bureaucracy, structure of parliament, constitution, importance of communication, problem solving, decision making and so on. I have heard veterinary personalities which gained me a lot of knowledge and experiences. I have never joined such courses before, so that I want to join such courses in the future as well. By joining NGPL, I feel that my dream can be fulfilled. I feel proud to be associated with NGPL. This certificate course was fabulous. In the end, I am grateful to Priyadarshini ma'am, Srinivasan sir, Nandini ma'am, Susan ma'am and other dignitaries members. I look forward such great opportunity in the future as well. Thank you.
Hari Om. My name is Shriman Ramachandra Raja and I am from Rajapalayam, Tamil Nadu, which is famous for its own dog breed. I thank NGPL for providing me such a wonderful opportunity during this lockdown, which enhances my knowledge. And I have learnt a lot of stuff, including parliamentary proceedings and structure of judiciary and many more. I thank Srinivasan sir for arranging such a good session during this lockdown. I learnt a lot from Bhadrahari Madhav Mahatab sir, who is from Odisha. He has given me a lot of insights about parliamentary proceeding, which inspired me to become an MP. And Priyadarshini ma'am and N.K. Premachandran sir gave live examples of how a decision is made and how politicians make decisions every day and how every decision is important. And out of which Priyadarshini ma'am's decision making class was one of the best, which I could never forget. And I thank Prime Point Srinivasan sir for arranging such a good session, and he's helped me personally, professionally in many ways. I thank him, and I could rely on him anytime, call him, ask him for personal guidance. Thank you so much sir, and thank you so much Priyadarshini ma'am for giving me such leadership roles in NGPL, which has enhanced me personally and enhanced my public speaking skills. Thank you so much Sridhar sir and Nandini ma'am for providing me such a good opportunity being a part of NGPL. Proud to be a part of NGPL Delhi. Thank you.
Hi everybody, this is Vijay and I'm making the video for NGPL, and this has been a fantastic opportunity which has been given to me. As a law student, I am fascinated by the government and its functioning and the people associated with it. And I never once have I thought that I would meet them, speak with them, and not especially in this lockdown. So this has been a wonderful opportunity, and the things that I read, the laws that I read, the case laws which I read, and I could see it all in the way the guest speakers spoke. which really increased my trust in our Indian political system. And I think that I would surely be joining politics at some point in my life now. Thanks a lot for this opportunity.
Hi everybody, this is Vishalachi. I'm from Tiruvannamalai, Tamil Nadu. I'm pursuing sociology at Queen Mary's College, Chennai. I'm a political aspirant, that's why I joined this course. This course was very informative. Each and every session in this course was very exciting and enjoyable. The activity session is also very enjoyable. The experts' answer to the question was very thoughtful and very useful. This course is also used for my political career. I gain much and more knowledge about politics. Thank you for Priyadeshni ma'am, Srinivasan sir and Sridhar sir and those who have put effort to make this course very successful on this lockdown period. Thank you everybody. Have a nice day. Bye.
Hi, my name is Srinivas Gopal from Chennai. NGPL, the way I see, this is the only organization or a committee where other political party members can participate and indulge their knowledge in it. I feel so happy that we were able to speak directly to many honorable MPs and special guests who really excel in their zones. This is the only organization where it extends this platform for young aspirants like us, where this is not possible in other political parties. I frankly say that. Regarding the course, we were able to learn all new things. I can't specifically specify anything like this is good or bad. As an overall, the sessions were very good and very, very knowledgeable. From my bottom of my heart, I really appreciate the organization for giving this opportunity to showcase ourselves and to shape us to be better. Special thanks to Mr. Sri Prime Point Srinivasan sir, Ms. Priyadashini and Mr. Sridhar Raj for giving this opportunity. Thank you all.
Hi, I am Bharat Subramanian, practice advocate from Coimbatore. I am very glad to be a participant in this NGPL program. I undergone some of the training programs when I was completed my BPharm graduate and I undergone for pharma executive. This is the first program I am attending this online program, and also I am very happy to be attending in this program because in political view I am attending the first meeting with a lot of energy and lot of motivation also. And also there is a theory, each and every action there will be a reaction and there will be a result. The result might be useful for the doers or the directors or the promoters. But in this program, the directors like Srinivasan sir and Priyadashini madam and Sridhar sir, they don't get any benefit from this program, because if I am become a political leader or if I become very active in this political, I am sure that they won't get any benefit. This is the program. They are the players without any benefit, without any profit. They are doing such a wonderful program. I am really thankful to all of the directors, promoters and the catalyst who is very actively doing this program. And also this is the one of the team, they are trying to enrich and regenerate the words and thoughts of the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. And also I really thankful to all the teams and all the other participants and all. I am wishing each and one of you all the very best, and thank you so much.